Hello everyone and welcome back to Cleanastic. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clean limescale out of a kettle. As you can see, our water boiler is full with limescale, and today I'm going to show you the easiest and best way to clean it. First, you need about half a cup of water and half a cup of vinegar. You can use more or less, but it has to be the same amount of each ingredient. Fill this in your water boiler, in your kettle, turn it on and let it boil. When this is done, just put some paper towels in this open part that the solution can stay in there. You gotta have to stay for a minimum of 1 hour. I'll let mine stay for 2 hours. When this is done, after 2 hours, you can rinse it out and clean everything out. And yeah, sometimes when you didn't clean it for a while, you just have to let the solution sit for 3, 4, 5 hours, or you can also let it sit overnight. But make sure you clean your kettle out super good. As you can see in my water boiler, it looks way better, but I do have to repeat this step again and put the solution in there again for a few hours. But it helped. It looks way better. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.